Hey foodies, you're watching Tindi Foodie and today's recipe is a saucy snack dish which can add on any of your mealtime as a starter too. I'm gonna share a simple yet yummy recipe named cheesy corn on toast. Now let's note down the ingredients. Boiled sweet corns 2 cups 400 grams, chopped big onions 1 cup 200 grams, chopped tomatoes 3 by 4 cups, chopped capsicum half cup, chopped coriander quarter cup, chopped green chilies 2, milk 2 cups 400 ml, corn flour 1 and a half tablespoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon. Now let me share you the procedure. Heat a kadai and add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the butter melts, add chopped onions to it and fry for 2 minutes. Add green chilies. Stir well and fry. Add the chopped capsicums and fry for another 2 minutes. Add required amount of salt to taste. Add the chopped tomatoes and stir well and fry for 2 minutes. Now add the boiled sweet corn. Stir well and fry for 2 minutes. Since we are gonna make a cheesy bite, in case if we are using a salted cheese, it may make the dish even more saltier, right? So add salt accordingly. Add chili powder as per your taste. I have added 1 teaspoon. Mix it well and now our veggie mixture is ready. Let's keep this aside. Let's prepare the white sauce. Take a pan and add 1 and a half cups of milk to it and heat it. Take the remaining half cup of milk in a separate bowl. Add corn flour to this milk and stir well to make a paste out of it. Once milk starts boiling and bubbling starts, add the prepared white paste to it. After 5 to 10 minutes of boiling, the milk gets thickened. This is a healthy white sauce when compared to normal white sauce we usually make from maida. Now let's add the prepared white sauce to the veggie mixture. Stir well and boil for 5 minutes. Now our cheesy corn gravy is ready. Now take another pan, add little butter and heat it. We are gonna make bread toasts out of bread slices. Toast it well on both the sides. Let's cut the bread slices into 4 bits each. Place the square bits on a pan. Now let's spread the prepared saucy veggie mixture over these bread bits. That perfectly matches the name cheesy corn on toast. Spread well on sides too so that it coats the bread bits. It's time to scrape processed cheese cubes over it. I have used Amul. You can also use mozzarella if you would love to. This yummy and appetizing gravy will also perfectly match chapati and roti also. Now garnish this gravy with chopped coriander on top of it. The cheesy corn on toast side dish is ready to be served hot. Try this yummy recipe and drop your comments in our comment box. Share this to your friends, like the video and subscribe to Tindi Foodie. Keep supporting. Thank you. Bye.